Staying well organized and informed about the development of tasks is essential for effectively managing your projects and your team's work. That's why with Plaky, you have access to a range of features that will allow you to monitor updates, status changes, comments, mentions, and notifications. These tools ensure you are always updated on what's going on within your projects. In this tutorial, we'll go through each of these features and give you the insight on how to structure your workflow and stay updated on progress. Much like cells are used in spreadsheets, fields in Plaky are used to represent attributes and input data. You can set up custom status fields to represent the different phases of a task or project. Simply click on the plus button on your task, choose status, and then tailor it to represent the various stages of your project's progress. For example, you can see whether a task is in progress, completed, or stuck. In addition to monitoring the status of your tasks, it's important to keep a line of open and clear communication when managing tasks. So Plaky gives you the option of adding comments to tasks. You and your teammates can post comments on tasks, give feedback, and share updates within the item card. This will make it easier to keep everyone up to date, and the process will take much less time and effort to complete with everyone on the same page. When checking the item card, you'll see a speech bubble icon with a number of messages you have or find in the comments section in the top menu. Click on it to see the number of comments related to the task. There, you can check prior updates or write new messages so you and your teammates can easily stay on top of your project. To get someone's immediate attention and keep them notified at any time, you can mention a team member by using the @ symbol followed by their name. Whomever you mention will receive a notification at that moment and have the chance to respond. This is useful for assigning tasks or asking input from specific team members. A really great and convenient way to keep on top of your projects is receiving notifications. It's an extremely useful function that always keeps you in the loop of what's going on. Much like push notifications you get on your phone, notifications pop up and alert you of what's going on at all times. You can check your notifications by selecting the bell icon in the top left menu underneath the favorites icon. There, you can see a timeline of any mentions, assignments, or changes to items you're subscribed to. For any new notifications you get, an orange dot will appear as well as the number of notifications you have in the Browser tab. In the Notifications window, you'll see at the top of the menu where your notifications will fall under one of 4 categories: unread, I was mentioned, assigned to me, or you can see everything all at once. Each notification will contain info about the event type, subscriptions, assigned tasks, mentions, changes, and the user who notified you. You'll receive both an email and notification when you're subscribed to a board, someone assigns you to an item, or mentions you in a comment or reply, and much more. By clicking the link in your email, you'll be taken to the relevant section you've been notified about. You also have the option to change which notifications you want to receive and where by going to your profile settings. If you want to stay in the loop for specific tasks you aren't already a part of, you can subscribe to them. When you subscribe to a task, you'll receive notifications and updates about it. This is particularly useful if you need to stay closely connected to a specific task's progress and you want to keep an eye on it. And you even have the option to add a team member if need be. To access this feature, open up the item card on a task item and select the item subscriptions icon on the top right of the card. And now you're up to date on staying up to date in Plaky. You can keep up with status changes, comments, mentions, notifications, and subscribing to tasks. You'll have better team collaboration, transparency, and communication for more efficient project management. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. For more information on how to use Plaky, you can visit our website at www.plaky.com and find more videos like this, or visit our YouTube channel. That's all for now, and we'll see you next time.